Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to link to this Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a sales data sheet. So I'm going to link to this sheet. Okay. So simply right click on the sheet name and here you see the second last option, link to this sheet. Just click on it and here you can see the one dialog box will open. Wait for the few seconds and here you see link to Excel tutorial. Excel tutorial is the Excel file name. You can check here the upper side, the copy. You can copy this link and you can share to the anyone and those person can edit your Excel file also. Okay. You can give the permission for that. Just click on this arrow and you can see there are more options about the editing. Okay. You can share this link to the specific people. Just click on this and here you can enter that people name, yeah, or email address also. Okay. So and more setting, you can give the permission to edit, view. Just click on this arrow, can view. So you can give the permission, can view your Excel file. Okay. You can set the expire date also. Just click on this and here select your date, expire date, and after that click on the apply. So I just enter here this name. Okay. Select the email ID and click on the apply, and that's it. Creating shareable link and people you specify can view. Okay. So you can copy this link also and you can close this. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.